Hi, Caleb. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone yesterday, and I told you that I was going to be sending you the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitors' sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often, when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So, if you watch this through and feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, here I am on your home page, which I really like how you have your picture of your team right here, and I like your logo. So, we can kind of scroll through really quickly. So I like the look of the site, but I can see that there's not a lot of content on this homepage right here. And so Google's going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. And so you want to have around 1,000 to 1,500 words on this homepage. I did a word counter search on you, and you guys have 502 words right now. So we would definitely want to add in some more content, and we would want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google's going to come through and they're going to read all of your content, and they are going to deem whether or not it will help their users find the information or the services that they're looking for easily. So, in addition to that, we also want to put the proper amount of the best relevant and high volume keywords. We can get you ranked for all of the right stuff. And so over here, I am on Google. The keyword I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Peoria IL. This is a really good keyword. It brings in around 150 searches per month. So if you were to even convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. So right here at the top is typically where we are going to see Google ads. You see there's one right here actually, but often we'll see them right here at the top. And Google Ads are a really good way to get your name out there, get some brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. As long as they're done correctly, you can actually waste a lot of money on them if you don't know how to do them correctly. But if you do, it's a really good way to kind of get things moving really quickly. And so right below where the ads would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. So this is a really good place to be. Usually, it's because the ad. So you have to be top 3 to get up here. And in order to be top 3 to get on the first page, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on local directories all over the web. So think Yellow Pages, think Yext, think Yelp. You want to be on as many trusted, highly used, reputable directories like those. And you definitely want to be on more of them than these 3 businesses right here at the top. And so right here below, we have our organic search results. And so this is where most of your focus should be. This is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they will click on one of these organic search results right here. So it's definitely going to be your best return on investment long term. So here, this is the first company page that pops up. And so we can kind of take a look just really quickly. And so I actually went through this site. They actually have even less content than you do. They have 322 words. So they don't have very much content at all. So it'd be extremely easy to beat them out in that sense. But the main way that you get up here on these organic search results is going to be through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just when you get a shout out from another website. And so the internet is made up of websites and businesses linking businesses. And so you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from relevant, high powered websites. So, for instance, a local plumbing company or like a construction company, something like that. If they were to give you a backlink from their site, that would be a really good way for you to bring more power to your site. So over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs, ahrefs.com. This is a really great site. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly recommend getting this. It is a little pricey. It runs me around $400 a month to use it, but it gives a lot of great information. Like right here, I have typed in the competitor that we were just looking at. We can see that they have 55 backlinks from 16 different domains, and they are ranking for 71 keywords. So we can actually take a look at what keywords those are. And so here on the left, we can see all the keywords. We can see how many people search for those keywords every month. We can see what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and then we can see how much traffic they get from that keyword. So we can go through here, find the ones that are high volume, location specific, that bring in a lot of traffic, and we can go through and pick which ones we want to add into your content. And so I'm going to go back here, and what we can do is we can actually look through their backlinks the same way that we just looked through the keywords. And so right here on the left, we have all of the different backlinks, and we want to go after the ones that have a high DR or domain rating. We can go through and we can see which ones we can snag for your website. They only have 51 backlinks, so this would be very, very easy to beat. But do keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services that you guys provide and one of the areas that you provide them. So we want to completely blow all of your competition out of the water. Just keep that in mind. And so here I am. I pulled up your guys' site. So right now you guys have 47 backlinks from 22 different domains and are ranking for 41 keywords. And so here right away you can see a lot of these keywords. I guess it's a lot of the same one repeated, but they are keywords with your company name in them. So if someone wasn't already looking for you, it would be a little bit harder to find them because, as you can see, you're on the second or third page for a lot of good local keywords. So to kind of recap what we talked about is number one, more content with the correct high volume relevant keywords. Number two, more citations to get you on the map pack. And then number three, get more high powered relevant backlinks. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you got something out of this video and you enjoyed it. If you are interested in getting to know more or possibly teaming up, please reach out to me. You can shoot me an email back, or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thanks for watching, and I hope I hear from you soon.